It's March 13th, 2025, and Samsung users worldwide are still tapping their feet, waiting for the stable release of One UI 7, a software update promised to transform their smartphones into smarter, more intuitive companions. Initially launched as a pre-release build with the Galaxy S25 series in January, its full rollout for older devices like the Galaxy S24 has been pushed to April 18, 2025, leaving millions in limbo despite Android 15's debut last fall. This delay has sparked a mix of anticipation and frustration, with X posts like "Where's One UI 7 Samsung?" trending in tech circles. Yet, beneath this slow rollout lies a story of ambition. AI-driven innovation, sleek design, and a vision to redefine how we interact with our phones. As a researcher, I'll dive into what One UI 7 brings to the table, why it's taking so long, and what hidden costs might lurk ahead, especially for its AI features, set to be unveiled by December 31st, 2025. For you, the viewer, this isn't just about software. It's about how your daily tech experience could evolve, and what it might cost you in more ways than one. Let's explore this unfolding saga together. Samsung's One UI 7 was meant to be a flagship feature of the Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra launch in January 2025, but nearly 3 months later, only beta testers and new device owners have tasted its potential. The stable version's April 18th rollout, months after competitors like Google rolled out Android 15, has drawn criticism. Samsung's lagging behind on software updates is disappointing for a company of its stature, tweeted tech analyst Daniel Bader in February 2025, reflecting a sentiment echoed across forums. Internal reports suggest Samsung's focus on refining Galaxy AI features like the audio eraser and natural language search has slowed the process, with beta feedback revealing bugs in multitasking on foldables. For the average user, this delay means sticking with One UI 6.1 a bit longer, functional but missing the next-level intelligence you've been promised. Yet, there's a silver lining. Samsung's extended beta phase, now open to devices like the Galaxy S23 and Z Fold 6 as of March, hints at a polished final product. The company's shipping One UI 7 on budget models like the Galaxy A26 5G shows a commitment to accessibility, even if flagships wait. "We're taking the time to get it right," Dr. T.M. Rowe, president of Samsung's mobile communications business, assured attendees at Galaxy Unpacked, emphasizing quality over speed. For you, this might test your patience, but it could also mean a more seamless upgrade when it finally lands. Once it arrives, One UI 7 promises to be more than an update. It's a reinvention of Samsung's user interface, built on Android 15 and infused with Galaxy AI. It's not just about aesthetics, though it's gorgeous. It's about making your phone anticipate your needs, from drafting messages to securing your data. Let's break down its key chapters and see how they rewrite your smartphone story. Imagine your phone summarizing a 10-page report or transcribing a lecture before you've even asked. One UI 7's AI suite does just that, with tools like Chat Assist and audio transcription achieving a 90% accuracy rate in beta tests, per Samsung's March 2025 data. The Smart Reply feature doesn't just suggest words, it crafts full sentences based on your habits, cutting response time by 15% in messaging apps, according to internal metrics. "It's like having a personal assistant who knows me better than I do," raved ex-user at TechGuru21 after testing it on the S25 Ultra. For you, this could mean less juggling and more doing, whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who hates typing. For shutterbugs, One UI 7's photo tools are a revelation. The Magic Eraser wipes out photobombers with a 95% success rate, while the remastering tool boosts older images' clarity by 30%, based on pixel analysis from Samsung's labs. The AI editing feels effortless. It's a game changer for casual photographers, said YouTuber Marks Brownlee in a March preview, echoing praise from beta users on X. Pair this with the S25 Ultra's 200-megapixel camera, and you've got a combo that turns blurry snapshots into keepsakes. For the viewer, this might mean finally sharing that perfect shot, without needing a pricey app. One UI 7's design is a visual treat. Think live lock screen widgets delivering sports scores or delivery updates, and an always-on display with full-color customization. Animations hit 144 FPS on high refresh rate screens, a 20% fluidity boost over One UI 6, making every swipe feel buttery smooth. The quick settings panel's cleaner layout shaves seconds off toggling Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, a small win 72% of beta testers praised in a Samsung survey. For you, this isn't just prettier, it's a phone that feels faster and more yours every time you unlock it. Battery life gets a brain with adaptive battery AI, which learns your usage to cut drain by up to 20%, adding roughly 3 hours of screen time per tests on the S24 beta. Background app management is tighter, reducing idle power use by 25% compared to One UI 6.1, according to Samsung's March white paper. My S23 lasts a full day now, no compromises, noted ex-user at GalaxyFan88 after a beta install. For viewers, this could mean fewer midday charges, whether you're streaming, working, or gaming. Samsung Knox 4.0 fortifies One UI 7 with end-to-end encrypted backups and a private mode that isolates sensitive apps, passing penetration tests with a 98% success rate per cybersecurity firm SecureTech's March 2025 report. Face Unlock 2.0 uses AI to cut recognition time by 0.2 seconds, even in dim light. Knox 4.0 is a vault for your digital life, praised analyst Jane Kim on X, highlighting its edge over rivals. For you, this means trusting your phone with bank apps or private chats. Security that's invisible but ironclad. One UI 7 takes multitasking to new heights, especially for Samsung's foldable lineup like the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, with a revamped split-screen mode that lets you drag and drop content between apps 30% faster than before, according to Samsung's beta testing data. A new pop-up window feature allows up to 3 apps to float simultaneously, each resizable with a pinch, perfect for juggling a video call, notes, and a browser. It's finally a software that matches the hardware's potential, said tech reviewer Sarah Dietschy on X in March 2025, applauding its fluidity on foldables. For the average viewer, this could turn your phone into a mini workstation. Imagine planning a trip while chatting with friends, all on one screen. It's a productivity boost that makes even non-foldable devices feel more versatile. Beyond visuals, One UI 7 sharpens your phone's ears with Audio Eraser, a tool that strips background noise from videos, like barking dogs or traffic, with an 85% reduction in unwanted sound, per Samsung's Audio Lab results. Voice-to-text transcription now supports 20 languages in real time, hitting 93% accuracy in noisy environments, a feature beta testers on the S24 series hailed as a lifesaver for meetings and interviews. Samsung's audio AI is quietly stealing the show, noted Android Central's Andrew Myrick in a March 2025 review, pointing to its edge over Google's Recorder app. For you, this might mean clearer vlogs or capturing a lecture without scribbling a word. Just let your phone do the heavy lifting. It's a subtle shift that could redefine how you record and share your world. Customization gets a glow-up in One UI 7, letting you tweak everything from icon shapes to notification styles with a new theme engine that's 40% more flexible than One UI 6's, based on user options tracked in the beta. The Gallery app's natural language search, type "sunset last summer" to find photos, boasts a 90% hit rate per Samsung's AI metrics, making your memories easier to unearth. It's the little things that make One UI 7 feel personal, tweeted ex-user at SamMobileFan in February 2025, echoing a sentiment from community forums. For viewers, this means a phone that mirrors your style and finds what you need fast, whether it's an aesthetic overhaul or a quicker way to relive that beach trip. It's less about tech and more about making it your tech. While One UI 7 steals the spotlight, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, released January 2025, remains its perfect stage. Priced at $1,299, it's a titanium-clad Titan with a 6.9-inch, 3000-nit AMOLED display and a 200-megapixel Gen 2 camera that redefined mobile photography. Its Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, or Exynos 2500, delivers Geekbench 6 scores of 3200 single-core and 10500 multi-core, outpacing rivals, while its 5500 mAh battery lasts 14 hours under heavy use. The S Pen's 99% accurate transcription and AI summaries make it a productivity beast. For viewers who snagged it, One UI 7 elevates an already stellar device, though its shine has dimmed slightly as the software delay takes center stage. Here's the twist. One UI 7's AI magic might come with a catch. Samsung has hinted at enhanced AI services requiring subscription fees, with details dropping by December 31, 2025. Analysts estimate a $5 to $10 monthly cost for premium features like advanced photo editing or cloud-based transcription, based on X leaks from @SamsungInsider in February. Operating costs for these AI tasks could add $50 million annually to Samsung's cloud infrastructure per industry projections potentially passed to users. For you, this might mean budgeting for a smarter phone or sticking to the free tier and missing out. One UI 7 is a chapter of innovation delayed. AI that thinks ahead, a UI that dazzles, and security that protects, all held back by a cautious rollout. Its April 18th debut will test Samsung's promise of quality, while the S25 Ultra proves it's worth the wait for those who've upgraded. But with hidden AI costs looming, this story's ending isn't fully written. Samsung's vision here isn't just about a single update. It's a stepping stone toward a future where phones don't just react, but predict. A goal Dr. T.M. Rowe hinted at when he said, "We're building an ecosystem that evolves with you," during a January 2025 keynote. For you, this could mean a device that grows smarter over time, but it also puts the pen in your hand. Will you embrace the wait, weigh the costs, or push Samsung for more? Share your thoughts below. Let's keep this conversation alive. Until next time, stay tech-savvy and curious.